Hello, it's Thursday, February 26, 2015, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX Trading Support Center with your daily trading outlook. We begin with the U.S. stock market. U.S. indices finished mixed as gains in the oil and gas, telecommunications, and consumer services sectors led shares higher, while losses in the utilities, technology, and basic materials sectors led shares lower. The Dow Jones rose by 0.08%, the S&P 500 fell by 0.08%, and the Nasdaq lost 0.02% from its value. Apple shares fell by 2.56%, closing at $128.79 a share, after China dropped some of the world's leading technology brands from its approved state purchase lists, while approving thousands more locally made products in what some say is a response to revelations of widespread Western cyber surveillance. Turning to the pairs now, the U.S. dollar traded mostly low against most major currencies after downbeat U.S. new home sales data and as Tuesday's remarks by Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen continued to weigh. Today, high volatility is expected as the unemployment claims, the CPI, and the core CPI will be released. The euro was almost unchanged against the dollar, closing at 1.1364 in quiet trade on Wednesday, as investors scaled back expectations on the timing of a U.S. rate hike, while lingering concerns over the conditions attached to Greece's bailout extension also kept investors cautious. Today, the private loans is expected at minus 0.3% versus minus 0.5%, and the German unemployment change at minus 10K versus minus 9K previously. The pound rose versus the U.S. dollar, closing at 1.5527, and today the second estimate GDP report is expected to remain at 0.5%. Finally, in commodities, gold rose slightly yesterday, closing at $1,205 an ounce, and crude oil rose by 3.77%, closing at $51.06 a barrel. Yesterday, the crude oil inventories was released at 8.4 million versus 3.6 million expected. And that's it for today. Join us again tomorrow morning as we continue to bring you the latest market news. Until then, be sure to log into ufx.com for all of your trading needs and where your personal account manager is ready to answer all of your questions. From all of us here at UFX, we wish you a successful trading day.